Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. जैसा कि आपने डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ लिया होगा, today's going to be a little chit chat video जो थोड़ी सी teeny tiny long होगी. So grab a snack, water, tea, coffee, whatever you prefer, and let's get into it. So guys, the situation that we are facing at the moment, COVID-19, is an unprecedented situation that we are facing as a humanity. Probably this is something जिसके लिए ना तो हम तैयार थे, ना हमने कभी ऐसा सोचा था कि ऐसा कभी होगा. But what has happened has happened. At this situation, there are a lot of things that we feel very anxious about because we feel we are at loss of control. There are a lot of things that we can't control, but I think at this moment of time, it is very important that we only focus on the things that we can control to ensure that we can get that peace of mind. तो उसमें सबसे important चीज is that you ensure the safety of yourself and the loved ones. और उसमें सबसे बड़ा important step ये है that we follow all the guidelines that are being ensured by the government to ensure your and my safety. So guys, all said and done, I think sometimes it feels like कि बहुत आसान है कहना, बहुत आसान है just saying कि just follow, but दिस टाइम दैट वी आर फेसिंग बहुत सारे चेंजेस हुए हैं हमारी लाइफस्टाइल में, हमारी लाइफ में. एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग, सो इट इज अ टाइम दैट मेक्स अस लिटिल एंग्शियस, बट and it is causing us physical and mental stress. So that's why I wanted to make this video today, so that I can share my small tips with you, which might help you a little bit in resolving any issues or any just a little bit of tips that you can in order which will help you to sort out some of these physical or mental stress that you might be experiencing. So in no particular order, let's get into it. The first important tip is that guys, घर में जितने भी लोग हैं, they work as a team and ensure कि घर के जितने भी काम हैं वो divide करें. All of them work together to ensure कि आपके सारे काम खत्म हो. किसी एक बंदे के ऊपर भी ज्यादा burden होगा तो obviously he or she will come into stress. So it is very important at this moment of time that we work as a team. Second most important thing is working hours, guys. So I know a lot of us were working in the 9 to 5 hours or whatever, 9 hours, 10 hours of shift, and some of us have been fortunate enough to be working from home still. But what has happened is that क्योंकि हम घर से काम कर रहे हैं तो the hours of working have increased a lot, which will give you a mental as well as physical toll. आपको cervical का issue शुरू हो सकता है, आपको back ache का issue शुरू हो सकता है, and plus obviously you have 24 hours only. उसमें आपको घर के काम भी निपटाने हैं, आपको अपना ऑफिस का काम भी निपटाना है, बच्चे भी देखने हैं. So it is very important that you stick to a schedule. If you are working 9 hours, whatever is the login time, log out time, you ensure that you follow the same. And the third thing which is very important is your sleep. So this is actually related to second point, and the overall thing that I am trying to say here is कि आपको एक schedule follow करना ही पड़ेगा to ensure that everything is in sync and you don't really get stressed out. Sleep is so very important. आपको 7 से 8 घंटे की sleep चाहिए ही चाहिए to ensure that your body gets enough rest, your mind gets enough rest, to ensure that you stay positive and you are able to work on things. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा stressed out होंगे तो आप irritated हो जाएंगे, आप disappointed हो जाएंगे, आप negative हो जाएंगे. So it's very important that you give 7 to 8 hours of sleep to yourself. The next thing, guys, I cannot stress enough on this is drinking water. You have to ensure that you drink water 2 to 3 liters in a day. It has immense benefits, both mental and physical stress reduction. Please do not skip it. Please ensure that you have keeping yourself hydrated. Next thing is exercise. So probably ये एक चीज है जो बहुत सारे लोग कर रहे थे, बहुत सारे लोग नहीं कर रहे थे. We did have some kind of excuses कि हमें टाइम नहीं मिलता, हमें बहुत सारा टाइम ट्रैवल में जाता है. Now we are getting a little bit of more time probably जो हम अपने ट्रैवल में स्पेंड कर रहे थे, तो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि हम उसको अच्छा यूटिलाइज करें. एंड द फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू गेट इनटू एन एक्सरसाइज रिजीम. इट कैन बी 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, वट एवर योर टाइम टेबल स्केड्यूल अलाउज यू टू. यूट्यूब पे इतनी वीडियोज हैं फ्रेंड्स, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, जो भी आपके पास है आप सर्च कीजिए. Look for one regime that you can follow and ensure that you stick to it. It is very important. Exercise keeps you mentally and physically fit, which is very important at this moment of time. अगर आप healthy रहेंगे तभी आप अपने आसपास वाले लोगों को healthy रख पाएंगे, plus तभी आप पॉजिटिव रहेंगे और बाकी सब लोगों को पॉजिटिव रख पाएंगे. सो एक्सरसाइज इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच इज so I think probably it is the most important thing on probably all the things that I'm going to talk about is building your immunity. This probably was one of the things जो शायद हम बहुत टाइम से इग्नोर कर रहे थे. With this situation it has come into again a very very important topic कि आपको अपनी इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, उसे बिल्डअप करके रहना है ताकि वो इस तरह की सिचुएशन से आपकी बॉडी को झेलने लायक बना सके. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज इन योर बॉडी विच फाइट विद अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस, अ लॉट ऑफ वायरसेस. बट अगर आप उसे गुड न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं देंगे, गुड डाइट नहीं देंगे तो वो बहुत वीक हो जाएंगे. दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू सपोर्ट यू, विच विल नॉट बी अ गुड थिंग. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट आप उसको गुड न्यूट्रिएंट्स दें, गुड डाइट दें ताकि वो स्ट्रॉन्ग रहे. सो वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इज कि आप हमारे लाइक इन द इंडियन कल्चर वी हैव सो मेनी things from Ayurveda और even in our daily routine kitchen की बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हमारी इम्यूनिटी डेवलप करने में हेल्प करती हैं. बी टर्मरिक, बी आंवला, बी लेमन, be it गिलोय, pepper, so many things that we are there. It's right in front of us, right in front of our eyes. All you need to do is just find out one recipe, one thing that that makes sense to you, that is feasible for you, and start including those DIYs or those immunity teas or so many things that are available now to include in your daily routine. So that is very 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 important. Second, as part of this aspect only, is you can reach out to your medical practitioner to understand if there are any specific medicines like a vitamin C tablet or anything to build up your immunity that you can take for your entire family to ensure कि अगर कहीं पे कोई कमी हो भी रही है तो वो पूरी होती रहे with the extra supplements. And the third thing in this same topic is that you continue to eat healthy. Yes, we are not one thing definitely that is happening with all of us is कि हम लोग को बाहर का खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. So we are all eating homemade food which is comparatively definitely more healthy, but stay away from a lot of fried things, stay away from a lot of sugary things, because I know कि हम जब घर पे हैं तो we are experimenting, we are cooking, but it is important कि हम healthy recipes में we create a lot more of healthy recipes rather than a lot of greasy or sugary recipes to ensure that we are sticking to our health and giving priority to it. Now इसके बाद चीज आती है दैट वी हैव टू गेट सम काइंड ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन एंड सम काइंड ऑफ गुड टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ. तो मेक श्योर कि आप वीकेंड पे या उससे पहले जो भी आपके लिए पॉसिबल है आप डेफिनेटली अपने लिए टाइम निकालें and probably invest your time in improving your body, how you are appearing, maybe invest time on your skin or hair or whatever issues that you are facing. I think ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम है. You are getting more time obviously as compared to what you were getting earlier, and obviously now because हम लोग सब घर पे हैं, pollution भी उतना नहीं है, तो it is a good time when your body can really take good and deep benefits of whatever you are going to do at this point of time. तो आप अगर for example if you want to do a hair care routine for you, do a DIY. If you don't have any अब अगर आप बाहर से कुछ नहीं खरीद सकते like a mask or something, whatever it is, there are so many DIYs that you can just find everything on YouTube. So go ahead and find something that you want to do, maybe for your hair or for your skin. Give yourself a day of spa, so starting from your hair to your body, so that just you feel relaxed and you feel happy about it. Believe me guys, एक दिन अगर आप अपने आप को देंगे, it gives you a lot of mental happiness, and obviously it has benefits of giving you a good healthy glowing skin, hair, and whatever you've always wanted for. Let me know in the comment section if you are looking for some DIY body scrubs or DIY hair masks or something. I can definitely make those videos for you. The next thing is definitely guys, spend a lot of time with your family. It will help you reduce a lot of stress. अगर आपके बच्चे हैं, you have kids at home, then believe me there is nothing that can give you more happiness than spending time with your kids or your family. Talk to them, and at this point of time I think it is very very important for you to plan your finances. I think बहुत सारे लोग काम कर पा रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग लिमिटेड काम कर पा रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग काम नहीं भी कर पा रहे हैं. सो यू नीड टू इंश्योर दैट यू आर प्लानिंग योर फाइनेंसेस टू इंश्योर दैट इट डजंट क्रिएट समथिंग दैट गिव्स यू एंजाइटी और गेट्स यू in a situation that you don't want to land up. So definitely it is very important that you talk and plan for this phase, because we don't know कि ये 2 महीने चलेगा, 3 महीने चलेगा, 6 महीने चलेगा, we don't know. So it is important that you have liquidity in your hand and you plan for your finances. I know बहुत सारी जगहों पे फिर से शॉपिंग, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग शुरू हो गई है, but guys be very mindful, be very cautious of what you are spending on. Probably my advice, what I am also following and what I can give to you as well, is only stick to something bare necessities that you want. This probably is not a time to splurge on maybe not so necessities at this point of time. So please ensure that you are keeping that in mind. And the next very important thing is find something that gives you happiness. It can be anything. It can be reading, it can be dancing, it can be workout, it can be gardening, it could be just putting on makeup, getting ready, whatever it might be. Something that gives you happiness. Something that gives you happiness will make you smile, will make you happy from within, and will make you positive. It is very important. Daily के chores तो ठीक हैं, but then it's important that you do what gives you happiness. जो आप दिन में सारा कुछ करते हैं वो आपकी ड्यूटीज हैं, but then this is also something that you need to do for your mental peace, for your mental happiness. तो जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है आप वो कीजिए, whatever makes you happy आप वो कीजिए. And last but not the least, you would have heard this 1,000 times that whenever you are feeling anxiety, whenever you are feeling stress, breathing is the best thing that you could do. Please get into breathing exercises, pranayams, whatever is possible for you. Again, a lot of content on YouTube. Choose whatever type of content you want to do, whatever time of process that you want to follow, but definitely include breathing exercises in your daily routine to ensure your mind is calm and peaceful, and you're just you can be positive. So guys, I hope you liked the video and it was useful for you. If you did, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Please stay in your homes and ensure that you are safe, you are following all the safety measures. Wishing you a lot of positivity and a lot of peace of mind. We will meet the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.